Vater?
Walter? Mein Walter!
So, schön wieder daheim zu sein. Schau mal, was ich gerade gekauft habe.
Boah, das Heimatland. Du hast dich dann auch nicht lumpen lassen.
Ich habe schon gedacht, dir würde dir gefallen. Kannst du dich noch erinnern, wo wir alle gerade zusammen geübt haben? Es ist auch schon eine Weile her, als du das letzte Mal deine Armbrust in den Fingern hast.
Ewigkeiten. Aber es wäre wieder mal an der Zeit.
Was willst du mir jetzt damit sagen?
Ja, hättest du wieder mal Lust auf ein Wettkämpfchen? Da, die Uhr wird mir jetzt gerade noch besseln.
Vergiss es. Die Uhr gebe ich nicht so leichtfertig hin.
Du hast Schiss vor deinem alten Vater.
Also gut, hol deine Armbrust. Nicht schlecht, Vater.
Siehst du jetzt? Da jetzt du, Walter.
Hast du sie dir verdient. Wenigstens bleibt sie in der Familie. Schaust du gut zu ihr?
Merci vielmals. Warte, ich habe da auch noch etwas. Viel Glück für morgen.
Merci.
Hey guys, I recently did a Victorinox watches video, basically a review video. If you missed that one, here's another one. In that video I did a review of this watch. I showed you this one. It's a beautiful high quality Victorinox watch with just a great value for money. And yesterday I bought another one. Some of you probably know, but I'm sort of a mini watch dealer. Just that way I get the chance to experience so many watches, and I appreciate all kinds of watches, from the very cheapest Casios to the very high-end one, but unfortunately I do not get the fondle with the high-end ones. This is a sort of a mid-range brand. For some people it's a beater watch, for some people it's a high expensive watch. For me it's a mid-range. It's not the cheapest, not the best, but definitely quality is where it's at when it comes to Victorinox. You all have dealt with Victorinox, Swiss Army knives, and does the same company and same model, same quality here applied. One in 84, Swiss pioneer Karl Elsner, he founded a cutler's workshop. So a short time later he paved the way, and unparalleled company history for the, as you all know, the legendary Swiss Army knife. And from the makers of the Swiss Army knife, Victorinox, here comes a watch which does the same quality. So all Victorinox watches, this is my third one, are just great, and this is their lower end production. Nevertheless, they will give you the same quality, just like you buy some more expensive Victorinox watches, which they have upgraded their assortment. So I showed you this one. Today I'm gonna show you this one, and this one is really nice. What I like about this one is the dial, attention to details, and also it has a sapphire crystal, which is scratch proof, like you all know, but as long as you don't chisel it, everything will scratch. But in general, from all those little nicks and knacks, it's a great upgrade for any watch. If you can always try to get a sapphire crystal, because it's just better. The dial has a little textured peer polish, just like Victorinox AOX models. Here in the middle, you can see, hopefully. This would pair great with my Victorinox Soldier, which I unfortunately lost, so I might be getting Pioneer or something like that, cadet, but not sure. Around here it has a straight lines Victorinox logo, the Swiss made, crown, date. Overall it's a very nice watch. Has a Victorinox logo over here, screw down crown, water resistant to 100 meters, which is actually water resistant like some other fossil type of watches, which are not. And here's a nice detail here. They have a laser engraving Victorinox here, just a cool detail, and overall very nice watch. Very nice watches, Victorinox. Definitely recommend if you are looking into get some kind of watch. I want to give you as much as advice as I can, and I definitely recommend this watch for everyday carry, for EDC. You won't regret spending your money on Victorinox watch, whatever one you would buy. So they are just a great value, and that would be it. I'm EDC Gunner. Thank you for watching, and see you guys soon.